Hi YouTube, I'm PJ, a grown-up human who absolutely loves Barbie dolls. And I'm on a mission to rescue, restore and rehome Barbie and her friends with people who need her. Oh, I've lost count of the number of visits to the dentist this week, so if I sound weird, I'm so sorry. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few purchases that I've made thrift shopping online with the Salvos online store and also on Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you what I found. Hey guys, future editing PJ here. I swear to you, I have a very clear recollection of unboxing and unwrapping this first doll and recording it, but I cannot find the footage anywhere. So my apologies. We're diving straight on into the first doll, which was purchased from the Salvos online store. We have the You Can Be Anything Astronaut Barbie. She has this really lovely short haircut, which I just think is so cute. It kind of says, I am so busy being an astronaut and scientist, I do not have time to fluff around with long hair. She comes with her astronaut spacesuit, her space gloves, and also her moon boots, which are really cool. She is minus her helmet, and I think in the original box she came with a flag as well to mark her territory on the moon and her worlds that she went and discovered. So I'm just going to chalk this one up to inexperience. I think further doll collecting online will be looking for better value options for rehoming and restoring. I do wonder if she can stand up in these boots. I wonder. Let's have a look. Well, I think she's resting on the backdrop there. Oh, look, I've just noticed, I don't know if you can see that, it says Barbie R? Is that right? I overpaid because I was inexperienced and overexcited, but that's okay. She's found a new home with me and I will end up gifting her, so stay tuned for finding out where this Barbie ends up. Next up, we've got, what have we got? A reed diffuser. Not really, but this is another one from the Salvos online. Who have we got in here? Oh, look. Look who it is. What a sweet girl. And she is very well loved. This one I paid a similar price to the Astronaut Barbie. I'll show it on screen here. This one I don't mind paying this kind of money for these vintage dolls. This is the face sculpt from my childhood and it is so nostalgic for me. I can see that I'm going to be collecting a number of these ones with the superstar face mold and the superstar or model muse body type. They are, in my opinion, the quintessential Barbie. And does anybody else think she looks like Barbie from Toy Story 3? She has had her ears pierced. I don't know if that's factory piercing. I think it might be. And then she's had a ring at some point. I really do want to make this one over. We're going to look her up and see who she is, and I'll pop it on screen here. I'm looking forward to giving her a makeover and putting her in an outfit that harks back to her heritage. She's pretty loosey-goosey in her joints. She's quite... Maybe that's from being packaged, folded up in the post. She's got a bit of a cut on her knee here, so this is not one that I would rehome. I think this is one that will end up being in my personal collection, and yeah, I'm looking forward to finding out who she is and giving her a makeover, so stay tuned for that one. We've got another parcel here from the Salvos online, so let's have a look. Oh, that's right. Oh my gosh. So we've got in here two little Stacies. How cute. Oh, this is, and a little Kelly bed. Oh, how gorgeous. I didn't even realize that that was coming in the package. These two little girls look like they might be twins. Something about the styling of the two outfits makes me think maybe twins. I'm not sure, but they are, I'm gonna say, the same face mold. What do you guys think? They look very similar in the face. Same, that sort of honey blonde hair color. And oh look, this one has got some painted nails, which is a bit cute. I'm finding some of these secondhand dolls are coming with a bit of wear and tear on the hands and the feet. It just seems to be like maybe little people like to have a little nibble. So this one comes with this really cute little blue dress. She has got some marks on her face here, which I think should clean up really well. The rest of the body, apart from these little scratches, seemed to be in pretty good condition. I like the little dress actually, it's very cute. Her hair is really soft, so I think this will clean up really nicely. And then the other little girl here comes with a shorter little party dress, super sweet, and some cute little sneakers. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Same again, the hair is in really nice soft condition. Her face is in a little bit better condition. Oh dear. We've got a bit of pink like highlighter or marker or something through her hair here. Her hands are in good condition. Let's have a look at her feet outside of the sneakers. Oh, they're in really good condition. Yeah, she's in really good nick. Really happy with her. And I think when I rehome these, I will probably do them as a little matching pair, I think. So you probably saw on the thumbnail that there are 3 dolls in boxes. Those 3 I got from the one seller on Facebook Marketplace. Our little conversation was so cute. She's like, oh, I'm trying to downsize my collection. So then she started sending me through pictures of her other dolls that she was going to be selling, and it took so much self-restraint not to purchase everything that she was selling. And I noticed that she has gone back and listed some more dolls, and I can't justify the expense at the moment, but I will keep an eye on it. I'm going to start with the Barbie Signature Looks doll. She's number 18, I believe, the curvy body with the curly hair. I am going to unbox this one. So just looking at the back of the box here, we can see she's actually number 16, not number 18. Number 18 is this Ken. Here's the broad Ken, and I'm actually would love to own him. So I'm keeping my eye out to see if he pops up anywhere. Also, I have seen this number 15, the petite with the olive complexion. I've seen her online recently on clearance, and I did not purchase her that time. So I do need to just rein it in a little bit and work on the dolls that I've got. So these dolls are going to be in my personal collection. I'm going to unbox this one now. I have to say, I sat looking at her for about 10 minutes off camera, just deciding whether I was going to take her out of her box or not. You might be able to hear my dog running around in the background. I have to say that I love the idea of this plastic packaging protecting the doll's hair. You can get all of these plastic stays and the packaging off the hair without worrying about damaging the hair or accidentally cutting it. So we're going to get in here and get these off as well, and then it'll be time for the big reveal. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, come on, last one. Oh, he's being a tricky one. Oh my goodness, how much harder could it be? There we go. Oh, look at her hair. It is absolutely stunning. If anybody's got any tips or tricks on how to style this curly hair out of the box, that would be very much appreciated. This face mold, I think, is just so pretty. Fully articulated body. She's got, it looks like a 2-piece set, so shorts and a top, but it's actually one piece, and these gorgeous pink wedge high heels, and she comes with the stand. And I can see I'm just going to have so much fun learning to pose with this doll. She's just so great. So just one thing to note, that she did come with her certificate of authenticity too. So I am in love with this doll, and I cannot wait to play with her hair some more and get to know her body and posing her and moving her around and making her some clothes. I'm ecstatic. I don't know about any other adult doll collectors, but I still get that sort of Christmas morning feeling when I am unboxing a new doll. New toys! Takes me back to when I was a kid, which is what I love about doing this. I can imagine that Barbie collectors, doll collectors went wild when the Barbie movie merchandise started coming out. So I am a little bit late to the party, but I've added the rollerblading Barbie with the Margot Robbie face mold to my collection. So this one I'm not going to unbox today, so I'm apologize if you were hoping for that, but this one I'm just going to keep in her box for now. Her hair is not in the best shape, considering that she's still in the box, which is a bit of a shame. She's got the articulated body. It's not the full made to move body. She's got articulation in her shoulder, elbow and knees and hip. The feet are not articulated. That's one of the reasons I want to keep this one in the box. It's more just for me for a collector item at this stage. I did notice on the Mattel website that they've got a Barbie movie new drop coming out. So have a look at that if you're a collector. It's kind of exciting to see that even though the movie was, 2 or 3 years ago now, that they're still dropping new looks, which is kind of exciting. So I think this is my favorite look of the Margot Robbie face molds that they've released. So I was really excited to see this one on Marketplace. This one and the rollerblading Barbie came as a set for $50. So for $25 each for these two, I'm pretty happy with that as a bundle deal. I'm pretty excited to get her out. I just love her little pink outfit. Is this the perfect day outfit? Oh my gosh, you guys, she is so adorable. And look at this packaging. Actually would be quite cute for a background for future videos, I think. This could be a bit of a mission, so I might need to do this one off camera. I am happy to report that we've got similar protection for the doll's hair in this packaging as we did with the Barbie looks. Oh, that was a bit easier. She's a little bit messy back there. I just think this is the sweetest doll and the sweetest outfit. I love it. I love it. And guys, are these like little tiny Manolo Blahniks? How adorable. Well, this one looks a little bit bent though, straight out of the packaging, but you see that where the heel's just like bent in a little bit? I'm not going to be too mad about that. Oh, this one is perfect. Why don't we give her Barbie looks stand? One moment. Hi Barbie!
Hi Barbie! Hi Barbie! Hi Barbie! Hi Barbie! Hi Barbie! Hi Barbie!
Well, there she is, the perfect day Barbie. Not gonna lie, that took a minute. Her hair is not great. Ends are super frizzy. I've given it just a little light spritz with an anti-static spray and just a light brush. I'm gonna need to do a bit more work on that one, I think. Also, the shoes don't really stay on very well. That's my experience anyway. So I had to put a fair whack of blue tack in there just to keep them on, even with her being stationary. I'm not complaining. I think she's adorable. I love this doll so much. I love the Margot Robbie face mold. I love the fringe. That's what we say in Australia, but you might know that as bangs. They've got some product in them to keep them nice and stiff and straight, and she's got these cute little earrings and matching necklace and bracelet as well, which are so sweet. I love all the detail here. Metallic painted buckle on her belt and the pleating on the dress. Lovely. It's really, really beautiful, and I am so thrilled with this doll. So this one and the rollerblading Barbie I got for $50 for the pair, and then the looks Barbie was an additional $50 from that Thanks so much for joining me in today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see or any more information you'd like to know about these dolls, or if there's any information you can give me, that would be great. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!